Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this top. It's fast and easy to make. I use milk cotton yarn and 3.5mm hook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make a slip knot and make chain of 134 for the foundation chain. My measurement is 30.5 inches, but if you want you're a bit wider, please add more chain. For the first row, we will make lemon peel stitch. Skip one chain and make a single crochet. In the next chain, make a double crochet. In the next chain, make single crochet again, and for the next chain, make double crochet. For this lemon peel stitch, you just repeat, make one single crochet, and in the following stitch, make one double crochet. Continue, make lemon peel stitch, and I'll meet you back after I finish this row. I just finished my first row and I put stitch marker here. Count 60 stitch and mark it, and then count 40 stitches and mark. For both sides I have 60 stitches, and for the middle I have 14 stitches. Next, for row number 2, make chain 1, turn your work, and continue, make lemon peel stitch. I end my first row with a single crochet, and for this row number 2, I start with double crochet. Make double crochet in the first stitch, and in the following stitch make single crochet, and keep repeat, make one double crochet and one single crochet until you reach the stitch marker. After you reach the stitch marker, make chain of 14 and continue, make lemon peel stitch. I continue with double crochet because on my stitch marker there is a single crochet. If you mark on the double crochet, please continue, make single crochet. For row number 3, make chain 1 and turn our work, and continue, make lemon peel stitch. Repeat this lemon peel stitch until you have 20 of rows. It's equal 5 inches. Of course, if you want it a bit longer, just add few rows. Alright, I just finished it. Count 20 stitches from our side back area and mark it. 28 of stitches for the underarm and 38 of stitches for the front portion, and do the same for the other side. After you have all marked, we will sew the back. Grab your tapestry needle and start sewing. Make single crochet in every stitches for our bottom part. After you finish, make a slip stitch and cut. I will meet you back after I finish it. I just finished my single crochet row, and now I will make ruffle with a broken white yarn. For this ruffle, we will work at the front loop only. Make chain of 3 and make 1 treble crochet. And for the chain, it will be count as a treble crochet too. In our first stitch we have 2 treble crochet, and for the next stitch we will make 3 treble crochet. Continue make increase 2 treble crochet and increase 3 treble crochet until you finish this row. Count 7 stitches from the stitch marker. In the center at the back loop only, we will make 5 treble crochet and 1 treble crochet increase. Continue make 5 treble crochet and 1 treble crochet increase until you finish this row. After you finish this row, we will not join them. For the next row, we will make chain of 3 and turn our work and make treble crochet in every stitches. For the next row, make chain of 4 and turn our work. In the very first stitch, make 1 treble crochet. Make 1 chain and skip 1 stitch. And make 1 treble crochet. Next, make chain of 1, skip 1 stitch and make 1 treble crochet. Repeat this until you finish this row. For next 5 rows up, you just make 1 treble crochet in every stitches. And for the final row, we will change the yarn with the broken white color. Make chain of 4, turn our work. And make treble crochet in every stitches. Now let's move on to the strap. We will start from the middle back portion. Make a slip knot and single crochet in every stitches until you reach the stitch marker. After you reach the stitch marker, make 71 of chain, but if you want it longer, just add more. And skip 1 stitch and make slip stitch in every stitches. Continue make single crochet until you reach the other stitch marker. After you reach the stitch marker, do the same like what you did before. Make 71 of chain and slip stitch in every chain. Now let's make the bow. Make a slip knot and make chain of 10. Skip 2 stitches and make each double crochet. For the next row, make chain of 2, turn your work and make each double crochet. Keep repeat this until you have your desired length. For mine, I make it 55 rows, it equal 24 inches. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!